Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to merge video with PowerPoint background in Zoom application. Yes, Zoom app latest update video merge with PowerPoint is given. Yes, so what is the main important for Zoom application desktop? They have provided beta version of PowerPoint merge with a video. Yes, in this video I would like to share how to merge video with PowerPoint background as a virtual background in Zoom application. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, in my laptop I just opened Zoom application. So I have installed the Zoom application. Whether this application is updated or not, you need to check first. So just to go to your user login is available, just click the button. In the right hand side corner you will find a small picture, that is user setting. Yes, here you need to go to check for update option. Is here, check for updates. Just hit the button. It will ask you are up to date. Yes, you are on the latest version of 5.4.6. This is the latest version which is installed in the laptop. Yes, using this option, if you don't have this laptop or you don't have this kind of option, means it will show you update the Zoom application. So once you update your Zoom application, you will get a lot of options. Zoom is upgrading day by day. This is a free user also, they can get these options, so that you need to install the latest update so that you may get a lot of working option will be available. Yes, first check this step, and next what you need to do, create a new meeting. Yes, so I have creating the new meeting. I have checked my camera and mic is working properly. Yes, so now I can able to create my new documents, that is a new meeting I have created. So now I would like to present my screen. I just click a screen sharing option. I can able to share my screen. So once I click share my screen, automatically my screen will be sharing over there. So whatever information I can share, automatically it will be there in the screen option. But my video will be in the small box. As you see in this video, this is a small box which the Zoom application given us with my background is given. Yes, my video should merge with whatever presentation I have given. Automatically it should be merged, so it is look like a professional corporate level of presentation over there I can able to give to my audience. Yes, so now I can able to stop presenting my screen. So this is a normal meeting I have started. Now I would like to share the screen with a different option with the merging video. Yes, just to click the same screen share option, and once you click means automatically this is a basic one. You can able to click advanced ones. Yes, so advanced one option is given the latest updates of the background merging. PowerPoint as a virtual background, as I said, PowerPoint as a virtual background is here. So I can able to select this. This is a beta version, so they have given this one. This is a superb option which is given from the Zoom application. Yeah, I had selected this option and I can click share. It will ask you where is your presentation. Select the presentation. Yeah, I can select my demo presentation. Now I can able to show you. I can just click open. Automatically my presentation will be prepared and open here. Yes, Zoom application update. This is a demonstration. So see, my video is there, as well as with my Zoom application I can able to see all the audience, as well as my presentation will be display over there. So you can able to see my videos running over here. You want to move somewhere else, you want to show your face to your audience, you can click there. The blue box will be over there. Just drag and drop. Automatically your video only will be there without your background. So the video will merge with the PowerPoint background. This is a corporate level of experience. Those who are getting the option, you can able to use your presentation to interact with the live conferencing, all the details. Yes, now I would like to increase my video level, video things. I can increase my video things, so the clarity, everything will be there. I can able to give my a speech to everyone. Yeah, so now I can able to reduce all the things, as well as I can able to change the slides. So the slide is this side, means I can able to move somewhere here. So I can able to give my introduction to my students or my colleagues or my participant. Welcome, dear students. So this is Martin. So today I'm going to talk about the research paper methodology I can able to give my presentation, as well as I can move to the next slide. The next slide has a lot of information given in this slide. I would like to reduce my video. I can able to reduce my structural video. Yeah, so I can place it over here. Wherever you want, I can able to place it over here, so that I can able to give the information. So I can able to keep it down. So wherever I want, I can able to keep it down. Wherever I want, I can keep it my video. So this is an easy step. The PowerPoint given, the Zoom is given, merge with the PowerPoint. So professionally you can give your information to your audience. So as well as if you read this paragraph, you want to explain, so automatically you can increase your things and you can able to give your information inputs to your audience, as you are virtually giving your information to your students. So if you want to remove this blue background, just click, means automatically the blue background will be removed. So automatically you can able to talk. So if you want to move, means just click on the video, automatically the blue background will come, otherwise it will move. So automatically you can able to talk with your audience. Yes, next one I would like to say, if you are presenting, means your sub participant or your friends want to share their screen, so you want to switch off your sharing option so that they can able to share. So that kind of option is a little bit of confusion. Now the PowerPoint, that is the Zoom application, is given the option called multiple sharing option. Multiple participant can share simultaneously. Yes, so one participant can share at a time is there. I have given this option. Once you click multiple participant, means automatically any of the people is there, so I can choose them so that they can able to share their presentation. So I don't want to switch over, I can pin the persons, automatically they can able to come with the presentation. So this is an easy option. So without any delay, the Zoom can give lot of information, as well as you can give your virtual meeting easy to conduct all the things. Yes, thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.